1. Animals and Nature. Chapter 1. The Animal World. Many animals live in the forest. They are called wild animals. Some live with us and are very useful to us. These animals are called domestic animals. Here are some of the common animals. Can you name each of them? Write W for wild and D for domestic against each of the animals. Tick right for true and wrong for false. 1. We keep wild animals as our pets. 2. Camel is a wild animal. 3. Dog is a domestic animal. 4. Cow is a wild animal. 5. Elephant is a wild animal. Chapter 2. Animal Sounds. Animals and birds make different sounds. Match these animals with their sounds. In the circles near the animals, write the matching letter of their sound. Do you know? The giraffe cannot make any sound because it has no vocal cords. Chapter 3. Animal Babies. Animal babies have special names. Match these animals with their little one. In the circles near the animals, write the matching letter of their baby. Do you know? The little ones of a bear and a fox are also called cubs. The little ones of an elephant and a whale are also called calves. Chapter 4. Animal Homes. The sun is about to set. All animals are going back to their homes. Help them find their homes. Match each animal with its home. Chapter 5. Fruits and Vegetables. We eat many kinds of fruit and vegetables every day. Write F for the fruit and V for the vegetable in the given circle. Do you know? Eat plenty of fresh fruits and vegetables. They are good for your health. Mango is known as the king of fruits. It test. Which fruit a day keeps the doctor away? Which of these vegetables is bitter in taste? Chapter 6. Beautiful Flowers. Flowers are nature's gift to us. Circle the names of these flowers in the grid. Do you know? Marigold is a commonly found flower. It is used in garlands. It test. Which flower turns toward the sun during the daytime? Unit to India and in World. Chapter 7. Incredible India. How much do you know about your country? Let's quiz and find out. Fill in the blanks using the words given in the help box. Do you know? The wheel in the middle of our national flag has 24 spokes. Chapter 8. Festivals and Funs. All of us enjoy celebrating festivals. This is a time to be with family and friends. People celebrate different festivals. Tick right the correct option. 1. This day is to celebrate the spring season. We celebrate it with colors. 2. This festival marks the victory of good over evil. 3. On this day, every year Santa visits children with gifts and chocolate. 4. On this day, we celebrate the homecoming of King Mahabali. 5. This is a festival to thank the sun god. 6. On this day, we give food and money to poor people. It test. Which festival is known as the Festival of Lights? Do you know? Hinamatsuri, also called Doll's Day or Girl's Day, is a special day in Japan. Families wish their daughters a happy life on this day. Chapter 9. Famous Buildings. Read about these famous buildings and guess where they are found. Make a chart about any one of these buildings and display it on your class bulletin board. Tick right the correct answer. This building was built by a king for his beautiful queen. It is the Taj Mahal. It is in. This building is popularly known as the Lal Killa. It is in His famous building is known as Gateway of India. It is in. This building is made of white marble. It is a Victoria Memorial and named after a British queen. It is in. This is a famous temple of Sikhs. It is known as the Golden Temple. It is in. This is a famous temple of goddess Meenakshi. It has a hall of 1000 pillars. It is in. Do you know? The Taj Mahal is one of the 7 wonders of the world. Chapter 10. Great Personalities. There are many great personalities who were born in India. These personalities make us feel proud to be Indian. We should know about their life and works. Give each picture a correct name. Tick, write the correct answer. Who is called the father of the Indian nation? Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? Who was the first President of India? Do you know? Subhash Chandra Bose was a freedom fighter who dedicated his life for the sake of his motherland. Chapter 11. Women of India. Match the names to the photographs and their achievements. Chapter 12. Places of worship. Can you identify these places of worship? With the help of the help box, write the correct names in the space provided. Help box. Lakshmi Narayan Temple, Jama Masjid, Jagannath Temple, Baha'i Temple, St. Xavier's Church, Akshardham Temple. Listen and talk. Name some places where people go to pray in your city, such as St. John's Church, Kalighat Temple, and Nakhoda Mosque. Chapter 13. Wonderful Places. Agrim and Ria went on a world tour with their parents. They saw many wonderful places and took photographs. The children need your help to identify these places. Identify the monuments. Write their names in the space provided. Use the help box. Help box. Statue of Liberty, Victoria Memorial, Pyramids of Giza, Charminar, Eiffel Tower, Opera House, Petronas Tower, Great Wall of China. IQ test. The Hawa Mahal is in. Chapter 14. Countries and their flags. Match the countries with their flags and write the correct numbers in the boxes. One has been done for you. Japan, Australia, China, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Pakistan, the United States of America, Afghanistan. Ek test. What are the colors of the Indian flag? 1. For courage and sacrifice. 2. For purity and truth. 3. For faith and fertility. 4. Wheel for progress. Do you know? England, Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland together make the country of the United Kingdom. Unit 3. Me and my surroundings. Chapter 15. Me, my home, my school. Tell us something about yourself. 1. My name is. 2. My date of birth is. 3. My parents' names are. 4. Our home address is. 5. Our telephone number is. 6. The name of my school is. 7. The name of my principal is. 8. The name of my class teacher is. Listen and talk. Do you like coming to school? Why? How do you come to your school every day? Find out. Is the name of the founder of your school? How old your school? Chapter 16. Our neighborhood. Help Anu find the places in her neighborhood where she goes for the following reasons. Tick, write the correct option. 1. To play games with her friends. Market, park, school. 2. To study and meet her friends every day. School, market, hospital. 3. When she gets hurt or when she is ill. Market, hospital, park. 4. To buy different things with her father. Bank, post office, market. 5. To deposit money with her mother. Market, hospital, bank. 6. To buy envelopes, stamps, etc. Bank, hospital, post office. Chapter 17. Helping hands. Several people work in different ways to help us lead a comfortable life. Write the names of the people who do the following jobs. Choose the correct words from the help box. Help box. Tailor, potter, plumber, carpenter, washerman, cobbler, barber, farmer, greengrocer, postman. 1. The brings us meals. 2. The grows crops. 3. The washes clothes. 4. The makes furniture. 5. The fits and repairs taps and pipes. 6. The stitches the clothes. 7. The cuts hair. 8. The sells vegetables. 9. The makes clay pots. 10. The mends shoes. Chapter 18. Means of transport. Transport is the movement of people or goods from one place to another. The means of transport are called vehicles. A. Give each picture a correct name. B. Draw each vehicle with the place where it stops. Taxi stand, airport, railway station, port, rickshaw stand, bus stand. Do you know? Aeroplane is the fastest means of transport. Chapter 19. Body parts. Transport is the movement of people or goods from one place to another. The means of transport are called vehicles. A. Give each picture a correct name. We use different parts of our body to do different things. Choose the right word to fill in the blanks. 1. We see with our. 2. We hear with our. 3. We smell with our. 4. We taste with our. 5. We chew food with our. 6. We have 10 fingers and 10. 7. We have 2. 8. We count on our. 9. We walk on our. 10. We hold things with our. Chapter 20. Things we use at home. There are many things in our house that make our work easy. Tick, right, the correct option. 1. It is used for washing clothes. Mixer grinder, washing machine, geyser. 2. It is used for keeping food cool and fresh. Refrigerator, air conditioner, cooler. 3. It is used for heating up water. Mixer grinder, washing machine, geyser. 4. It is used for watching pictures. Television, oven, water purifier. 5. It is used for keeping our room cool. Air conditioner, refrigerator, geyser. 6. It is used for mixing and grinding things. Air conditioner, refrigerator, mixer grinder. 7. It is used to purify water. Cooler, water purifier, refrigerator. Chapter 21. What are these made up of? The pictures below show things made of different materials. Tick, right, the material each item is made of. Unit 4 Space, Science and Technology. Chapter 22. The sky above us. The sky is above us. We see many things in the sky. Objects shining around so high, just look up and try to see what is in the sky. Read the rhymes and write the names of things we see in the sky. How beautiful is the sky! 1. Lamb, a hot ball of fire. I give heat and light. I shine in the day. 2. Let kids go out and play. 2. You see us at night. We make the sky bright. We twinkle in the night. What a pretty sight! 3. Puffy and fluffy. Sometimes white. Sometimes grey. We bring rain. 4. I change my shape. I look white. You see me in the night. with stars so bright. 5. My 7 colors are seen. After a shower of rain. I am merry and bright. You don't see me at night. Chapter 23. Computer help us. A. How much do you know about computers? Write the correct letter I in the box. 1. Printer. 2. Monitor. 3. Keyboard. 4. CPU. 5. CD. 6. Speaker. 7. Mouse. A. These let you hear different sounds. B. We type letters and numbers on this. C. This helps us to point and click what we want on the screen. We hold it in our hands. D. It is the screen. We see pictures writing on it. It looks like a TV. E. It gives us pictures and what we have typed on sheets of paper. F. The main part of the computer is in this. G. It stores information, pictures, games, films, and a lot more. Unit 5. Language and Literature. Chapter 24. Tell me a tale. You must have heard some fairy tales. Do you remember these tales? Match the following and find out. Do you know? Fables are animal stories with a lesson. They teach us to be better people. The tales from Aesop's fables and Panchatantra are popular fables. Chapter 25. Rhyme time. Draw lines to match the lines of the same rhyme. Chapter 26. Words game. A. Look at the letters and form words with them. Write them in the blanks. B. Look at the pictures carefully. Some have the ch sound and others have the sh sound. Write ch or sh in the correct boxes. A. Test. In English, which is the only word that has the same number of letters as its value? A. 5, B. 3, C. 4. NLT 6. Values and Life Skills. Chapter 27. Opposite. A rabbit moves fast and a tortoise is slow. Slow is the opposite of fast. Look at the pictures and match the words with their opposites. Chapter 28. Good manners, good words. Fill in the blanks with appropriate words. Help box. Sorry, excuse me, good morning, thank you, please. Listen and talk. Say a sentence with please in it and another with thank you in it. When should you say excuse me? Unit 7. Number and Thinking Skills. Chapter 29. Fun with numbers. You often see these things, but have you ever noticed the numbers related to them? Let's do this number quiz to find out how much you know about your numbers. A. Test. Take 2 oranges out of 3 oranges. How many have you got? Do you know? There are 26 letters in the English alphabet. Chapter 30. The year before you. Tick, write the correct option. A. Test. I tell you months and days, dates of festivals and holidays. I change every year. I am seen everywhere. Write my name. Do you know? Once in every 4 years, February has 29 days. This year is called a leap year. Chapter 31. Big Bigger Biggest. Mr. Giraffe is bigger than Mr. Rabbit, and the number 23 is smaller than the number 24. In each group of numbers, write the biggest or the smallest number as asked. Chapter 32. Missing numbers. Fill in the missing numbers. Chapter 33. Test your IQ. A. Fill in the blanks. B. 1. Write the number 106 in the circles so that each side of the triangle adds to 12. 2. Write the numbers 106 in the circles so that each side of the triangle adds to 10. C. Add up the numbers in each shape and subtract 3 from it. Chapter 34. Odd one out. Find one word in each box that does not fit in the group. Circle it. 1. Has been done for you. Unit 8, Sports, Entertainment and Media. Chapter 35, Famous Players. Some of India's famous sports persons are shown below. Fill in the blanks with their names. Take help from the help box. Help box. P.V. Sindhu, Virat Kohli, Neeraj Chopra, Vishwanathan Anand, Sachin Tendulkar, Bachung Bhutia. A test. 1. Saina Nehwal is a player. A. Badminton. B. Cricket. C. Tennis. 2. Bachung Bhutia player. A. Hockey. B. Football. C. Cricket. 3. Vishwanathan Anand is a player. A. Hockey. B. Chess. C. Badminton. Chapter 36, Games we play. We need special items to play each game. For example, we need a bat to play cricket. Match the name of each item with its game and see how much you know about these games. A test. Write the names of the indoor games. Chapter 37, It's Cartoon Time. Children love to watch cartoon movies. Do you also love cartoons? Which cartoon movie or show do you like the most? Given below are some famous cartoon characters. Identify them with the help of the clues. Help box. Chhota Bheem, Motu Patlu, Tom and Jerry, Doraemon, Ninja Hattori, Perman, Sunio, Nobita, Power Rangers. Do you know? Donald Duck comics were once banned in Finland because the characters doesn't wear trousers. Chapter 38, It's Showtime. Movies are fun. Here are some Bollywood films that you can enjoy watching with your family. Choose the correct name from the help box and write them below each picture. Help box. Iqbal, Ramayan, Mr. India, Bhutnath, Hanuman, Koi Mil Gaya, Chak De. India, My Friend Ganesha, Tare Zameen Par. Do you know? Bollywood is the Hindi language film industry based in Mumbai. Chapter 39, Bollywood Gossip. Bollywood is the largest film producer in India and one of the largest centers of film production in the world. Look at the pictures of some famous Bollywood stars and write the correct name. Unit 9, Music and Art. Chapter 40, Musical Instruments. We all love music. Musical instruments help us produce beautiful sounds. Given below are some musical instruments. Choose the right name from the help box and write it below each picture. Help box. Guitar, violin, piano, flute, dholak, tabla, drum, harmonium, mouth organ. Do you know? In an orchestra, a number of instruments are played together. Unit 10, Puzzles and Miscellaneous. Chapter 41, Little Riddles. 1. I look like a horse but have stripes like a tiger. To tell you the truth, I am neither. 2. I do not have sails or an anchor. I have one hump, sometimes two. Everyone calls me the ship of the desert. 3. I am a clever bird and brightly colored too. If you teach me well, I can talk to you. 4. I am a naughty little thing who swings from tree to tree. I chutter and am as happy as can be. 5. I am a big yellow cat with whiskers and stripes. 6. I am the lord of the jungle. The lord of all I see, and if I roar, all will be scared of me. Chapter 42, Months of the Year. The names of the months in a year are hidden in the word maze. Find them all. Help box. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Now answer the following questions. 1. Which is the first month of the year? 2. Which is the last month of the year? 3. Which month has only 28 days in a non-leap year? 4. How many days are there in a year? 5. How many days are there in a leap year? 6. How many weeks are there in a month? 7. Which usually the coldest month of the year in India? 8. Which is usually the hottest month of the year in India?